How to share Wi-Fi password from iPhone to iPhone. If you're struggling with the same problem, don't worry. This video is right for you. Firstly, what you have to do is you have to go and tap on your settings. Now go to Wi-Fi and find your connected Wi-Fi. Tap on it and make sure to copy your password. Once you copy your password, you can always share it with your friends through the message app. Another solution for you is go on your Shortcuts app by searching Shortcuts and tap on QR your Wi-Fi. You can create it by tapping on Gallery and adding shortcuts. When you tap on your Wi-Fi, it will now show you and tap your Wi-Fi name. Once you do that, it will create a QR code. You can now share it with your friends by scanning it from your phone. In iPhone, you can also share your password by keeping two phones together, just like in the screen. When you do this, it will automatically be connected on your phone and will now share the Wi-Fi password from iPhone to iPhone easily.
If you found my video helpful, make sure to give big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.